Hi, I'm Dr. Zielinski here at Family Eye Physician. I'm going to show you how to use OCuSoft lid scrubs for blepharitis. So we have bacteria that tends to build up along the base of the eyelashes. And OCuSoft is pretty good about getting rid of that bacteria. So what you do, this is Max. I'm going to demonstrate how to use the wipes on him. So our little packets, this one you actually don't have to clean off with water after the fact. You can just leave the product on. So inside we have this cloth, and the way that I have patients use it is we open up the cloth. The easiest way is to wrap your finger inside the cloth so you have nice working room to go ahead and scrub the lid margin. So go ahead and close your eyes, Max. Good. And we're going to start with that left eye. I'm just going to pull his lid kind of taut, and you're going to rub right along the base of the lash line just to remove any of that excess debris or bacteria that's living there. Good. And then technically we could have him go ahead and open, look all the way up to the ceiling. You could very gently underneath as well, just to get rid of any of that bacteria or blepharitis. Good. That's it. I'm Dr. Z, and that was your quick tip on how to use lid scrubs.